G'day folks, welcome back to the Spud Fit Cooking Show. Mandy can't be doing it today, so it's my turn. You're going to have to listen to me. I'm going to do my best Mandy impression. Hi, it's Mandy here. I'm talking really fast. Please pay attention. I'm going to cook a baked potato and I'm going to put some stuff on it and it's going to be amazing and I really love it. I can't keep up with Mandy's talking. Sorry, Mandy. Mandy's probably going to edit this video and hate me for doing that, but there you go, Mandy. Alright, so it's a baked potato. It's a loaded spud. But we're not going to load it with oil and butter and sour cream and bacon bits and all that typical stuff because all that stuff's super calorie dense, and that's the stuff that's gonna trigger the pleasure center that makes you want to eat more and more and more and more, and all that stuff is the reason why potatoes have a bad name. So we don't do that stuff. So basically, this is going to be a loaded spud. We're going to load it with salad, but salad on its own is, and on a plain baked potato with salad on top, it's a bit dry. So we're going to add a little bit of moisture to it with our own little sauce that we make. I don't know if you call it sauce, sort of gravy-ish, sort of, I don't know, flavoured liquid. And that'll go over the top of it and it'll make it all nice and delicious and yummy. And we'll talk really fast while we do it. So for the salad part, if you've got the time and energy and all of that to get all your own veggies and chop up all your own stuff, then go for it, I say. But we, most of the time, don't have that time. So we get a store-bought coleslaw mix. We just get it from Woolies. It's a supermarket chain here in Australia. It's just a packet of coleslaw mix that we're using today, and it's all pre-chopped and ready to go. A lot of the time they come with a little packet sachet of dressing that's creamy and whatever, so we make sure that that's not in it. We just have the veggies chopped and that's it, and that's easy to find in our supermarket, so that's what we use. And it's no big deal. We just open the packet, get a handful, put it on. It's so easy. But if you can't find that, it really doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what you do. It's just a handful of lettuce, you can just chuck that on it, or some broccoli, whatever, it doesn't matter. What's really important is about healthy eating, it's really about what you don't eat rather than what you do. So, don't feel like you have to find the packet of coleslaw or the right stuff. Don't feel like you have to copy us. Just get some food in it. It doesn't really, it's not a big deal if you can't get the right store-bought stuff. It's fine if you want to chop your own from your own organic garden in your backyard. That's fine too. Everything's good, and it's fine obviously if maybe you just want to take the potato and eat it and don't mess around with the other stuff. That's obviously, I think that's pretty good too. Enjoy.